Hi there, my name is Carl Swanson, he, him, his, and this is a monologue from All My Sons by Arthur Miller. Remember how I told you that overseas I was in charge of a company? Well, I lost them. Take some time to toss that off. Because they weren't just men. They were family. I remember this one time it had been raining for a couple of days, and this kid comes up to me and just gives me his last pair of dry socks. Put them in my pocket. Look, I know that's just a little thing, but that's the kind of guys that I had. They didn't die, they killed themselves for each other. And I mean that exactly. A little more selfish, and a lot of them would probably still be here today. And after all that, I came home. And it was incredible, because there was no meaning in it here. I mean, the whole thing just seemed like a big bus accident to people, you know? You can't look away, but you don't do anything. And I felt ashamed, because no one had changed at all, and the whole thing just seemed to make suckers out of a lot of guys. My guys. And it felt wrong to be alive.